Aromatherapy is a popular complementary therapy that utilises the aromatic compounds from plants. And essential oils are an ideal way for us to utilise these aromatic compounds at home. Now, there are many essential oils on the market, and choosing the right one for your situation can feel a little overwhelming. So I've prepared this video as a go-to guide for essential oils for relaxation. As always, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications when we release more. And I will be preparing more videos about essential oils for use in different situations. So essential oils are a popular choice for helping to manage emotional issues. And due to increased stress levels, many of us can find it hard to relax and unwind from time to time. Essential oils make an ideal addition to your overall self-care regime. So first we'll look at the essential oils that can help, and then we'll look at the ways in which you can use them. So clary sage is well renowned for its relaxant properties, and it's used to alleviate stress and create a sense of well-being. Many people report it to be particularly useful for managing PMS-related symptoms. It has a floral scent and blends well with citrus and woody oils. Lavender is regularly used to aid relaxation and help manage restlessness. It's particularly useful if sleep issues are present, and it's got a popular fragrance. Like clary sage, it does have a floral scent, but lavender is a member of the mint family, so it is a slightly more refreshing aroma. Geranium is another floral aroma with potential relaxation benefits. It's thought to create a grounding and calming effect, so is believed to be useful for a busy mind or mild anxiety. And the chamomile plant has long been associated with relaxation. The flowers are used in a tea to make soothing drinks, and the essential oil is a favourite in many homes. It's thought to offer relief to stress and anxiety, and is particularly useful if tension headaches are present. Citrus oils are usually considered to be energising. However, it is thought that bergamot could break this rule. So bergamot is often blended with floral essential oils such as lavender or clary sage, and it's thought to have a mild sedative effect, therefore helping sleep. It blends well with most floral scents, including the ones I've previously mentioned. Ylang ylang is a well-researched essential oil with a long history and a strong reputation. It's thought to help improve low mood, reduce anxiety, and potentially lower blood pressure, ideal for relaxation. It's got a reasonably heavy scent, but isn't considered to be overpowering. And finally, patchouli. Now, patchouli does have a strong musky aroma that many describe as heavy or sticky in the air. Not everyone does like it. However, it is thought to be beneficial essential oil for relaxation and is considered to be grounding and calming. If you're not a fan of the aroma, try blending it with lavender, as combined they make an excellent aroma with many benefits. So how can you use essential oils? Now, there are many ways to use essential oils as part of your relaxation regime, but these are just some of my favourite ways to relax with essential oils. So bathing. Now, taking a bath can be a relaxing experience on its own, but adding a few drops of essential oil can take it to another level. Add 5 to 10 drops of your chosen essential oil or blend of oils to a small amount of carrier oil before dispersing in the bath, as this helps it to diffuse better. And speaking of diffusers, diffusers are great for slowly releasing aromatic compounds throughout your home. Combine a diffuser with soft ambient lighting and you've got yourself a relaxing evening. Candles that utilise essential oils provide aroma and provide the soft lighting too, a great 2-in-1 option to relax to. There are of course many other ways to use essential oils, including massage and pulse point balms. And there are of course many other essential oils. These are just some of our favourite ones to help you relax. In the description under this video, I will put links to all of the essential oils mentioned and links to blogs and videos that you might find interesting. And as always, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications when we release more.